everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is blessed. Today I'm doing just like a little daily vlog because I told y'all that I have to get back into mommy mode. So we're about to go to the grocery store. I'm about to get some things. And Biggie's actually my favorite rapper, but before, when I used to listen to that type of music. But what was I gonna say again? So we're going to the grocery store right now. All the kids are here, everybody's bathed, ready to go. So I'm just gonna take you guys around the grocery store today. I'm going to vlog the whole thing. It's a vlog. The content that I start to put out is just gonna be more of just days in the life, weeks in the life, just stuff like that, until y'all tell me what y'all want to see. So I will get back with you guys in a second. Right now we're on our way to the supermarket. That's the grocery store that we shop at, and I made a list just to make sure that so I made a list to just get me through the store, so I don't just start, you know, picking at whatever. I'm just sticking to the list, and if we need anything else, we'll pick it up after. So I'm gonna start just going in. All right, so tomatoes are on this side.
Wow.
Actually, I think there's more fruits we have to get.
I gotta get grapes.
Grapes.
Yes, grapes.
We're gonna get.
I'm like so cold.
Grapes. Who wants to taste the grapes? Not you, Dev. Not you, because you gave us sour grapes. Somebody taste the grapes and get a bag of grapes. Like, no matter. Cart update. Like, we have to get water, we have to get iced tea, we have to get water, we have to get some snacks. Yeah, so we're getting some water and then some snacks. So we will be done in a bit, but those are the things. And the cart's just piling up, girl, piling up. All right, come on. So when we leave and we pack up all the stuff at the house, I will do a haul for you guys. But right now it's just grab and go, so we can hurry up and get out the store, because I can show you a cart update though. It's
So cool.
It's a lot.
What's that?
It's a lot. No, Ari, that's not for now. She sees her, Ari sees her little cheese puff, so she's starting to go. Ari sees her little cheese puff, so she's like, but no, not right now. Actually, we got through pretty good. Because, like, usually, you know, most stuff is like, you know, it's like the list helps. So when grocery shopping, the list helps. So yeah, y'all. All right, y'all, we're gonna pack up the car. I'm gonna do a nice little haul for you guys, and then Ari, the kitchen. All right, I'm a I'm gonna pack up the we're gonna pack up the car, and then I'm gonna do like a little grocery haul for you guys. So yeah. All right, y'all. All right, I'm gonna try to get through everything here. So we got these Arizona's cran waters. It's like cranberry water. It's a Jamaican thing, water. That's what we got. We got pineapple juice,
A lot of
pineapple juice.
anti-trash.
We got, one second. We have, one second. Is there something I can, what?
Yeah, I want something to drink.
You want your chubby?
Yeah.
All right, we got chubby.
Thank you.
Yep, no problem. We got bananas. Cran water. We got plantain. I'm gonna try to put them away as we talk, but it's, yeah. We got popsicles. We got snacks. Bigfoot is a Jamaican thing. They're so good. If you have like a Jamaican shop in your area, definitely get you Bigfoots. They're so good. We got Tiga. We got some cheese chips. Toothbrush. Tigas. Fruta. It's just the juice. It's juice. We got burgers. We got beef. And we got chicken. More snacks. Ginger ale. Suppligin. It's like it's not an energy drink. Like, I don't know if you guys know what Nutriment is. It's like it's not Ensure, but like Americans would like, it's like an Ensure. Lasco. This is like, you can make it hot or cold. It's like milk. It's not really milk. It's like Nesquik. We had to try this oil because they didn't have the brand that we have. Ketchup. Grace ketchup. Listen, Jamaican ketchup. American ketchup is nah. Jamaican ketchup. It's sweet. More chips. Need icing. Let's see. More suppligin. We got an apples for Dev. Watermelon. Superior. We got saltfish. More watermelon. We got tomatoes, garlic, scallion. We got a cucumber. We got gel. We got grapes. Tangerines. Alright, we got toilet paper. My phone is either in the car or I don't even know. Ask Daddy. Ask Daddy to do it for me, please. Alright, we got burger buns. It's the butter buns. Butter. Like, what else I gotta say? We got our Captain bread. Girl, listen, our dough bread uno. Yo, if you're American, replay this And anything that I say is Jamaican, get it. So the ketchup is Jamaican, the Bigfoot is Jamaican, this is Jamaican, which is the bread. If I say, like, just get the Jamaican stuff, your life will change. Let's see. Because they make it so you can enjoy it. Like, the food is enjoyable because of how it's made. It's made with love. All right. We got rice. And some of these are in multiple, so I'm just showing you one of them. And then we got chicken. Oh, we got paper towels. I feel like we're missing something. Oh, babe did say that there is, we got milk. There's a juice bag. A bag with juice, right? Briggy. Here's your water. Ask Daddy if there's a bag of juice out there.
Huh?
Is there a bag of juice out there?
A bag of juice? Well, no more bag there, so they put juice in my table.
Alright, so then that's it. So that's basically everything that we got. So I'm gonna put all this away and then I will let y'all see that in a bit. It's cool. I mean, it's a vlog, so. So yeah, so I'm gonna put all this away. You guys gonna see me put it away, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all at dinner time because, yeah. Alright, y'all, my battery's about to die, but the fridge needs to be cleaned out. Like, I gotta put stuff in, take stuff out, and I just want to charge my camera and get it done in a nice, orderly fashion. And I need to listen to a sermon right now because I'm in a moment of weakness. The devil's trying to get me to be frustrated and short. So right now I need God, because while I'm doing this I can get through and just listen and really just be in his presence right now, because right now I need it more than anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean out the fridge by myself. I'm not gonna vlog. I don't want no camera in my face. I just want to do this and just finish. But I will get back with you guys. We were gonna cook some chicken, but why? Like, I can't do that right now. So I'm gonna put on some rice. He went to go get some chicken, so we got some chicken and rice. I'll probably make some gravy, and I'll end the vlog out like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Anyways, we'll talk later. We'll talk. Guys, guess what just randomly appeared? I forgot we were doing laundry today, so I'm gonna fold up the laundry. I'm gonna quickly do that, speed through it quickly, and y'all can see that I'm gonna get Ari together. She's a little bit tired and fussy, and then I will end up the vlog. Thanks for thugging it out. Alright, y'all, good night. I'm going to bed. I'm just going outside, taking a little breather, you know, just chilling. But definitely I will see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all for thugging it out with me. I hope everyone has like a great night. I hope y'all sleep well. Just remember to just pray and just get in a relationship with God. Ask him to help you with whatever you're going through, because it's important to rely on him and take counsel from him, especially when the devil is trying to just trying to do whatever he does. And it's important that we really just get that close time with him, just so the devil knows, yo, he'll flee. Trust me, he will flee. So you guys, and it's easier said than done. That's why you got to practice. That's why you got to be consistent, because saying it and doing it, two different things. Trying to keep doing it, harder, but it's not impossible. So I just want to encourage anybody who really wants the Lord to work in their life and is unsure and doesn't feel like they can do it, or they feel like the devil's winning, or that he's already defeated. He's been defeated on a cross. So there's nothing that he can do. We're fighting our flesh more, because the devil, if he's resisted, will flee. So let's just remember that. Just remember, Satan is not what you think he is, if you think he is all that, because he's not. But he's been defeated. You have the power. God's given you the authority to, walk boldly in confidence, and the Holy Spirit will help you and guide you. So don't feel discouraged. Lean on him. All right? Good night, y'all. You guys stay blessed. All right?